This year, you will remarkably successful and satisfying, both in the academic and scholastic activities. Our school prioritizes a well-rounded, skill-based professional learning, ensuring the academic excellence and the holistic development of each student. Our community outreach program this year has also yielded us brilliant results, helping us spread our message of hope and positivity across the city through our various projects. I would like to thank all our stakeholders, parents, leadership team, staff, and of course the students for a wonderful academy here. Hope you all have a brilliant annual day ahead. See you on the other side.
Our thematic camp is so much fun. We learn about our Mother Earth, plants, animals, and nature. During our theme culmination, we perform front of our talents. I love the Paladi celebrations. We also earn free tips and learn a lot. Come and join us if you want to learn with fun.
Project-based learning experiences gave us all an opportunity to showcase our process, collaboration, and application of knowledge. We worked together as a team to find real-life solutions that could be used in everyday life. Our project focused on the real-life goals, keeping in mind sustainable development as well.
Our school events serve as a platform for us to develop teamwork and showcase our innate abilities. Inter-house competitions encourage us to become confident and reflective learners, and I look forward to participating in more such events which will have a positive impact on my academic journey.
The school provides us with great opportunities to participate in various competitions and events. Competitions are more than just fun acts. They are vital for the holistic development, which provides growth in all areas. Such competitions create a positive impact both academically and personally. Inspired by the scouting movement and wanting to make a change in my nation, however small it may be, I decided to join Scouts and Guides, a group of girls and boys working together harmoniously under the motto, Always Be Ready. The Opodo Learning Center is indeed a transformative approach, fostering cultures like curiosity, inquiry, and deeper engagement. This innovative learning environment encourages us to think critically and ask questions that go beyond the surface.
IC3 and OMMUN were the standout events at our school in 2024. To begin with, The IC3 conference provided essential career guidance and college counseling to our students during a regional forum held at the school. It was a proud achievement to see our school successfully host the first ever inter-school edition of Open Minds Model United Nations. With over 350 participants engaging in rigorous debate and discussions, delegates worked together to find a positive resolution to the committee's agenda during the 3-day conference.
I love Kami Pushke because school is so much fun. Every day we explore and learn by doing. We have events like Literary Fest where we showcase our learning and understanding of literature and language. Mathuron provides us an opportunity to explore the joy of mental math and to discover the magic of math. Alpha to Omega is yet another way to engage in hands-on learning, igniting curiosity and promoting our hands-on science.
I've been doing a lot of research on aesthetic in education, and I've taken a session of the same in the school also with our teachers. Also, I had the opportunity to present my research at Singapore at the EduTech conference, and it was very well accepted by people because we are talking about AI all the time. But I feel the appreciation of beauty that we need to nurture in the students should be the other side of the coin. Yes, we are talking about AI, but emotionally, how do we connect the students to what is the beauty around them, which will give them the confidence about themselves, and that is where I feel that aesthetics in education has been well received. And it was also about cognitive development in the students, and also how it helps in communal harmony.
Field trips and educational excursions are powerful tools to enhance learning. Our school provides plenty of such hands-on learning to deepen our understanding and to make abstract concepts more tangible and relatable. We learn to take responsibility and also help develop our organizational skills, time management, and independence. I have enjoyed all such trips and have made the most from them.
In our school, we believe a lot in inclusion. It's not only about physical or learning disabilities, but we believe that inclusion is also about equal opportunities, the sense of belongingness, the point of views that are taken from the students. And that is where we feel that we need to give every child that kind of opportunity to speak up, to talk, to give the opinion and be part of the whole school community. We have counselors in our school who are doing wonderful job. They talk to the students on different topics. They counsel the students for different issues that come up in their lives. I've seen lines of students standing outside the counselor's room, and it gives me a sense of satisfaction that we are doing something related to what is called as inclusive counseling.
Teaching has always been my passion, a calling that I have pursued with dedication. However, being a teacher at Birla Open Minds International School has elevated this journey to an entirely new level. The rich learning environment and the vibrant exchange of ideas have provided me with invaluable experience.
My school is a second home for me to learn and grow. I have learned so much from academics to life skills, and the school has really helped me discover and develop my talent.
Our school gives each and every student the opportunity to shine in their own spheres. The role of the Student Council this year was one of responsibility, leadership, and serve. From academic workshops to cultural events, from community outreach programs to talent shows, every effort has been a reflection of the spirit of collaboration and unity that defines our school. As we conclude, I would like to thank our parents for the constant encouragement and support that has been a cornerstone of our success.